Hey yo, Choice here. Thank you so very much for joining me again for another session of Choice Spirit. Today I'm going to speak a little bit about daydreaming, imaging, visualization, envisioning, whatever it is that you want to call it, filming, creating that image in your mind. If not your mind, pulling up an image that you can watch. The 3D version, you know what I mean? Remember I talked to you about the subconscious mind. The subconscious mind does not know what we believe is real from what is just a movie or image or us playing it in our minds. Okay? So when we envision something, the subconscious mind cannot tell whether or not we are actually looking at something or whether or not it's playing within our minds. And there's a reason for it, because truth be told, it's all within our minds. That's why. That's the secret. It's all within our minds. So that's why your subconscious mind, which is really your heart space, your heart mind, does not know the difference from the external or the internal vision. It's all still one and the same. Okay? Mental imaging, visualization, daydreaming, imagining. I want to tell you a story. I used to love listening to the ocean. And so I would pull up videos of the ocean. And I would just watch the videos of a beach empty of just the ocean, to hear the ocean sounds. And it would be a desolate beach, just the ocean and the sand and the sound of the waves. Who knew that one day I would actually have that experience? Because now I go on the beach and it's just me, the ocean, the sound of the waves and the sand. And sometimes stray dogs. And sometimes stray dogs. Visualization, envisioning, mental imaging, daydreaming is very powerful. The subconscious mind does not know any different. So when you are observing something, where it be in your mind or externally, over and over, and you play it over and over and over again, it has to show up at some point in your life. So even if you choose to just sit in a meditative state with your eyes closed, deep breathing, and relax, and just play the image, and you allow your mind to envision, okay? Or if you're doing something where you can actually visualize while you're moving and doing, something, chores or house cleaning or something, you envision the picture, what you choose to see your life, what you choose to see at some point in your life. Many people find it difficult to visualize. So they do vision boards. They put up different pictures of places they want to go, or things they desire to own, or graduation pictures or whatever. They put it up and they look at it. And well, it's important that if you do that you only visit your vision board when you're feeling in a high vibrational state. Check out your vision board when you're feeling in a high vibrational state. So even if you're doing it mentally, get yourself in a excited, high vibrational state, and then begin to see what it is. Remember, the more specific you are, the more detailed you are, this is good. You know, it's like someone envisioning some type of house they want, and they actually walk through the house and they see everything the way they want it. Or a vehicle, a car that they want, and they see everything, they smell the leather, they feel everything, they feel themselves driving it, they feel the wind in their hair and in their face. They know the color, of the interior, the bumper, and they feel it, they smell it, they feel it. They feel the ride, whether or not it's a road ride, kind of bumpy, or if it's a smooth gliding ride, you know, like it's floating. Feel the ride, feel the steering wheel under your hands, just feel it. And then feel yourself talking to someone about it. Or you and a friend are looking at it and are talking about the vehicle or something. That way, envisioning it. Now, for those of you that need video, get a video out. There are many videos where you're sitting, so you feel yourself inside, you know, and actually having the experience. Play it over and over and over again. Or the 3D home tours now that they have, where you can actually walk through the house over and over and over. Something like it. Doesn't have to be exactly, but something similar. See the kind of furniture. Begin to shop for the kind of furniture that you want in your house. Or if you're accomplishing something, or in a certain position, or open a certain business, see how you want to, you know, set up your business, where it might be. You know, it can be specific, but be open. Remember, don't get so rigid. Be open, but be as detailed as possible. This is how your reality is formed. Now, with all of this other stuff that they're creating, you might have to see yourself free. No mask. Free. No lockdown. Free. To go and be and do and have fun, laughing, smiling, family, friends. Free. Play it over and over and over and over. They can't stop that. Not with fear. Remember, lift your vibe high. Get that feel good. Feel it from the heart. That emotion come up into you of real excitement and joy and love and thanksgiving and appreciation. Some say gratitude, but I choose appreciation, because appreciation means you're appreciating it. You're appreciating it. You're making it better, bigger. You're multiplying it. So when I say appreciation, appreciate. And say thank you. Because the universe is orchestrating it all. And know that you gave the command. That you called it into existence, so therefore it must be. Because it's already with you. Remember, it's already within your mind, so it's already given to you. Now you will see it in the physical. But we're shifting and we're ascending, and we don't know. That means even a greater power. Even a greater power. We've already been downloaded with information. I said this in one of our other videos. We already have, the download is already there. we have to become aware of it, wake up to it, know how to use it. Sometimes it's like you can have something, but you don't know what you have until you... Hey, much love, much love, much love. Namaste. Choice here. Thank you so much for joining me again for another session of Choice Spirit. Please share this. Check out my other videos. Check out my other videos. Please share. Even if it's with one or two people. I would truly appreciate this. Thank you so much. Choice here. Namaste.